We've just driven down another road we've never been down before, and we find ourselves at this beach which is called Evaristo, Praia do Evaristo. And it would appear there's nothing here regarding restaurants or anything, no bars or restaurants, but it would appear they are in the process of building one. It looks like all these wood holes have been driven into the sand to get the footings in. Or that next year, next season, there'll be a bar restaurant here. You look at all those piles and wooden piles, they seem to be making a pathway. That's going to be a boardwalk of some description. And here, facing the sand, facing the beach, is going to be a nice restaurant. That's my theory anyway. Watch this space, I think. Here we are at Praia do Evaristo, as you can see. This is where we are on the map. This is where we've just been. Just come from those two. Now we're here. Praia do Evaristo. Never been here before. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell, and we'll see you in the next one. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.